Alright guys, welcome to Dom Premium Files again. On today's tutorial, we're going through on how to configure opentunnel file. So first, if you don't have opentunnel, head on to Play Store and download it. But I am already having it. But if you don't have, go to Play Store and download opentunnel. Once we download it, we have to clear this config. We have to clear. We have to restore it. Once we restore, we have direct, we have proxy, we have TLS, we have DNSTT. All of them are having a different procedure in configuring each file. And we have the SSH and the V2 ray, but we are using the SSH protocol. We are using the SSH protocol. So with that, let's head on to the proxy and we mark the payload. So on this place, we'll be pasting our payload. This place is not clear, so we'll paste our payload here, and our proxy we'll also be pasting our proxy to here. So without wasting much time, let's head on to, you can prefer to any browser. You can use Google, you can use Chrome. So let's go to Chrome. On your search bar, search on opentunnel.net. You are searching for opentunnel.net. So once it opens like this, we'll click on the three dots on the right top corner. When we click, alright, let's wait, it is refreshing again. So an ads will pop up. We'll see how to manage the ads. So click on the same place. We'll click on this three dots on the top right corner. So once we click on that place, it will pop up like this, and we'll click on service, and we'll choose the first one, SSH server, because you are using the SSH protocol. So let's wait for it. So once it comes like this, you scroll up. You scroll. When you are choosing a server, make sure that the server is online. So this service is offline. So we find a server who is online. We find a server. This server too is offline. Okay, we have another server who is online. So always check to make sure that the server is online. The server is online before going ahead to create your account. So once the server is online, we'll click on create account. So once we click on create account, we'll scroll up and we'll enter a preferred username which you would like to use at this place. So the username, this is the username that I want to use, and the password, you enter a password of your choice. Once you are done putting your username and your password, next is to click on create. So we click on create. We are waiting for our account to create. As you can see that our account is loading. So once our account has been successfully created, what we have to do here is to copy. We are copying only this. We are copying only username, password, and the host name. These three things that we are copying. We'll copy. Once we highlight like this, we'll copy. When we copy, we are done. We are no need of the website again. We are no need of the website. We don't need it anymore. What we have to do next is to now head on to our opentunnel app. So let's come back. But let's find a place and put what we have copied on the side. So we have to put it on our note. So let's go to our phone note and put what we have copied there. So we'll paste it here, the username, the password, and the host. So once we paste our details here, we'll go back to our app again. So we are pasting as we finish copying the details, we are now to paste the details into our opentunnel app. So let us go back and just copy everything that we have here. So we'll copy our username. We are copying it separately. Copied our host name. Copy our password. So head back to the opentunnel. We'll paste our host, SSH host here. We have pasted the host and we'll click on OK. And we'll go back. Here we are now pasting our payload. That is the most important thing. Our payload will be pasted here, and the remote proxy will also be pasted here. So for our payload, let's go. We'll paste our payload here. So we have pasted our payload. This is our payload. We have pasted our payload successfully. Next is to paste our proxy. So we'll also be pasting our proxy. Once we are done with our pasting our remote proxy also and our port, we'll click on what save. We'll click on save. So once we save it and finish like this, we'll now hit on start for our opentunnel to start.